If you're seeing a Lucidchart permission error, like you need to be a member of the account it was shared from or access denied, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back into your diagram, flowchart, or board as quickly as possible. This is a common issue, and most of the time it comes down to sharing settings, the wrong account, or a browser or network problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and let's jump right into it. First, let's talk about the most common error message. If Lucidchart says you need to be a member of the account it was shared from, that usually means you do not currently have permission to view or edit the document. The fastest fix is to look for the blue Request Access or Request View Edit button right on the error screen. Once you click it, choose the permission level you need, like View or Edit, from the drop-down menu. This sends an automatic request to the document owner, and once they approve it, Lucidchart will usually send you an email confirming that access has been granted. Now, if you're seeing access denied or you still can't edit even though you're logged in, the next thing you should check is your account. Make sure you are signed in to the exact email address that the document was shared with. This is one of the biggest reasons people get blocked, because they may have multiple Google accounts or multiple Lucid accounts open in the browser. If the document was shared with your work email, but you're logged into a personal email, Lucidchart will not let you in. So log out if needed, then sign back in with the correct account and reload the document. If you are the owner of the file, or if you should have editing rights, but the document is stuck in view only or draft mode, there is another easy fix you can try. Go into your Lucid Document Manager, hover over the file, click the three dots menu, and choose Make a Copy. This is especially useful if the original file has some kind of restriction or display issue. Creating a copy often restores full editing access, allowing you to continue working without fighting the permission error on the original file. Another helpful step is to use an incognito or private browsing window. Open a private window in Chrome, then sign into Lucidchart again from there. Sometimes browser cookies, saved sessions, or conflicting accounts can cause permission problems even when your access is correct. If Lucidchart works in incognito mode, that usually tells you the issue is related to your browser session, not the actual file permissions. In that case, you can clear your cookies, sign out of extra accounts, or restart your browser to fix it permanently. You should also disconnect any VPN you may be using. Corporate or public VPNs can sometimes trigger network restrictions or make Lucidchart think you're signing in from a blocked location. If you're on a VPN, turn it off, refresh the page, and try opening the file again. This is a simple step, but it solves the problem more often than people expect. If the file was shared to you from another workspace or organization, it's worth checking whether the owner actually shared the correct version with editing permissions. Sometimes people only get view access, or the file is shared from a different account than expected. In that case, the owner may need to resend the link or update the sharing settings inside Lucidchart. If you're not sure, ask them to confirm that your exact email address has the right permission level. And if none of these steps work, refresh the page, close extra browser tabs, and try again after a few minutes. Sometimes Lucidchart permissions update with a short delay, especially after the owner changes access settings, so the request may already be approved, but your browser just hasn't picked it up yet. To recap, the main fixes are: request access from the error screen, verify you're signed into the correct account, make a copy if you own the file, try incognito mode, and turn off any VPN. One of those steps usually solves the Lucidchart permission error fast. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.